Alright, welcome back to class. No one asked for me to bring the videos back, but my parents watched these and I think they were getting a little bit bored and want me to make some. So if y'all don't want these, let me know if I can let them know that I don't need to spend the time making these dang things. But today we are going over 12.6 quadratic functions. And it's really not that bad of a day. Quadratic functions basically means, what do they say? Yeah, it's fancy terms. Basically means the highest exponent is a 2, highest thing is squared. So for example, x squared is quadratic. 3x squared plus 2x plus 3 is quadratic. What is not quadratic? There goes my green pen. Not quadratic would be 3x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 3, right? This has an exponent of 3, which is bigger than 2, so it's not quadratic. The general form of a quadratic equation is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. They always say a can't be 0 because if I had 0x squared, I don't have any x squared, so I don't have x squared. So that can't be 0. It could be 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2. Okay, anything just not 0. And b could be anything, c could be anything. We don't need any of these, but we do need to have an x squared term, and it has to be, it can't be anything bigger than the x squared term. Okay? So, as seen in example 1, y equals 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. What do they want us to do? They make a table. And you'll find out more in high school why to do certain things with your table. But just for now, basically we plug in negative 2, we plug in negative 1, we plug in 0, we plug in positive 1, we plug in positive 2 to our table, and we just basically see what happens for all those. So anytime they say make a table, plug in negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2, 5 things, and see what you get. So it's basically just number chugging. So anywhere there's an x, I'm going to plug in negative 2. And you just have to be careful that you don't make any mistakes with your negatives. Negative 2 squared is positive 4 because negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 times negative 2, that's negative 6. So 8 minus 6 plus 1. 8 minus 6 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Then I do the same thing, 2, but I'm going to plug in negative 1 instead. Plus 3, oh, there's an x, so I plug in negative 1. So negative 1 squared is negative 1 times negative 1.